What's up, guys? What's going on? We got another video for you, and we're going to talk about Bitcoin and what is it? What is Bitcoin? BTC. Explained for beginners. Digital gold and store of value. Imagine a type of money that exists only online. It's controlled, it isn't controlled by any government or bank, and can be sent to anyone in the world instantly. I mean, I don't know about instantly. Takes some time, maybe 10-20 minutes. That's Bitcoin, BTC, a digital currency that's been making waves since it was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is often called digital gold because it's like gold. It's seen as a valuable asset that can hold its worth over time. Let's break down what Bitcoin is, how it works, and why people think of it as a store of value. As its core, Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency, which means it's a digital form of money that uses cryptography to keep transactions secure. Unlike traditional money, like dollars or euros, Bitcoin isn't printed or issued by a central authority. Instead, it exists on a decentralized network of computers called the blockchain. The blockchain is like a public ledger that records every Bitcoin transaction ever made. It's transparent, so anyone can see the transactions, but it's also secure because it's nearly impossible to hack or change without everyone in the network agreeing. So how does Bitcoin work? People can buy Bitcoin on exchanges like Coinbase or Binance using regular money. Once you own Bitcoin, it's stored in a digital wallet, which is like a virtual bank account. You can send Bitcoin to others by using their wallet address, a unique string of letters and numbers. Transactions are verified by a network of computers called miners. These miners solve complex math problems to confirm transactions and add them to the blockchain. In return, the miners are rewarded with newly created bitcoins. This process is called mining, and it's how new bitcoins are introduced into circulation. One reason Bitcoin is often compared to gold, its limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins ever created, and this scarcity makes it valuable. Unlike regular money, which governments can print endlessly, Bitcoin's fixed supply means it can't be inflated away. As of August 2025, over 19 million Bitcoins have been already mined, and the last ones are expected to be mined around the year 2140. This scarcity is a big reason why people see Bitcoin as a store of value, a way to preserve wealth over time, much like gold has been used for centuries. Bitcoin's value comes from its unique features. First, it's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. This makes it resistant to censorship or government interference. Second, it's borderless, so you can send Bitcoin to anyone, anywhere, without needing a bank. Third, it's secure. Thanks to blockchain design, these qualities make Bitcoin appealing to people who want an alternative to traditional financial systems. especially in places with unstable currencies or heavy regulations. However, Bitcoin isn't perfect. Its price can be volatile, swinging up and down dramatically. For example, in 2021, Bitcoin's price soared to nearly $69,000 before crashing below $20,000 in 2022. By mid-2025, it's been climbing again, but the ups and downs can be nerve-wracking. Also, because it's not backed by a government, some people worry about its long-term stability. Still, many investors believe in Bitcoin's potential as a hedge against inflation, especially when traditional currencies lose value due to excessive money printing. Bitcoin is also used in real-world transactions, though it's not as common as cash or cards. Some businesses, like Tesla at times, and certain online retailers accept Bitcoin as payment. Others hold it as investment, betting its value will grow over time. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, an investor, or just curious, Bitcoin represents a bold experiment in money. It's digital gold for a digital age, a decentralized, scarce, and secure way to store and transfer value. As the world becomes more digital, Bitcoin's role as a store of value may only grow stronger. And as of today, Bitcoin is about, I want to say 112, 113,000 US dollars per coin, which is really crazy. We were like 123,000, so there's been a little bit of a retracement, but I have a pretty good feeling that it might go up from here. Pretty exciting times for crypto. Anyway, if you guys want to get some free crypto, check out my links. I've got a banner rotating at the top telling you about the promotions, but there's a link. There's a link down in the description. If you click onto simple.bio link down in the description, it will give you all the links to Coinbase, Uphold, where you can get free crypto just for depositing a little bit of money, and then investing your money, you get free money. So pretty good deal. And then if you're interested in leverage trading, which is kind of risky, so be careful, but you can make a lot of money if you know what you're doing. Check out the links to BTC and BitTrue, also great for leverage trading. But yeah, you can find all that, Coinbase, Uphold, BTCC, BitTrue, on the simple.bio link. So click that down in the description, and it helps support this channel because it's affiliate link. If you guys click it and you deposit, you get free crypto, I get free crypto, so it's a win-win. I appreciate y'all so very much, and I hope you have a good day. Smash up the like button and share out the video if maybe you think this would be beneficial to someone else. Have a good day, and peace out till next time.